welcome back to Fit Your Whip. I'm Emily Howard, Editor-in-Chief of American Painting Contractor, and we are out here in Phoenix, Arizona. We've been following Adrian Steele and Commercial Van Interiors as they work with a contractor to upfit his van to make it an efficiency machine. So far, Stephen Adix of Adix Painting has brought in his van. We've had a great meeting with the expert team of organizers and upfitters out here. They've come up with a plan, they've pulled everything out of his van, and right now we're going in to take a look at the actual upfit taking place.
What we're doing now is we're doing the installation phase of the project. It'll take about 2.5 hours to do the full installation, and we're going to add some additional benefits for this upfit. And the biggest benefit is going to be the extra storage space. The two biggest features we're going to use to give him more space are the rear doors. We're putting actual storage compartments on the rear doors. That's going to allow him to put all those miscellaneous parts in a tucked away place that doesn't impact anything and still close the back doors. So he had a lot of little cubby holes in his old shelves and areas where he could put product, and now he's going to have a lot more room and less space taken up. The next one, the biggest one, is the ladder rack. So now we're putting on a 3-bar ladder rack on top of his van rather than have his ladders inside the van. And you see with the ladders inside the van, it's very hard for him to reach all the products. So you got to stretch, crawl over things. With the ladders out, and he sees that, and the amount of space he has, he is just going to be blown away.
All right, Steve, they've been working on your van. It's all ready for you. How you feeling?
Well, I'm excited to see it, and then the thought is putting everything back in. Think about, well, do I really need this? How often do you use this? Should it go in this drawer?
The big key is it works for you. That's the whole purpose of everything that we're doing today.
All right.
So, are you ready to see your van?
I'm ready.
All right, go on. Good luck.
All right. Do you have the keys?
Great project, man.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun talking to Steve and get a chance to hear how he operates out of the van.
Yeah, the team did a lot of work today, and I think Steve's really going to love it when he sees it.
Yeah, I'm excited to see his reaction.
Yep. Oh, here he comes now.
There he is.
Well, there he is.
Man of the
Welcome.
hour. Welcome back.
Good to be back. I've been waiting.
We've been hard at work.
The rack looks really nice.
You ready to see your new upfit?
I am ready. All right, here we go.
Here he is.
Yeah, definitely will give me a more professional approach out on the job site when I open it up.
We've made it so you can access the stuff you're using every day, all the time, easy because we're positioning it by the doors. But this stuff maybe you don't use quite as often, we still want you to be able to get to it.
It's just what you need when you need it.
Your van will speak to who you are as a business owner and how you do your work.
That's what this is all about.
Right.
And we're happy to help.
So I'm going to get rid of all that stuff and put new stuff in here.
There you go.
I can't put all those old tools in here.
I guarantee you there is not another package on the road that's built and designed this way, based around the conversations that you have with Michael and his team and what you needed out of your van. It seemed like you had quite a bit of stuff towards the rear, things that you needed to stow, that you needed to access every day, all the time. So that's what these door trays are for. So you've got different compartments over here for your gloves and other cleaning supplies, some of the spray cans, some of the spray paint that you might use, a compartment rod here for you to hang your spray bottles too.
Oh,
so,
nice.
yep.
That's key here in Arizona.
This is not a typical commercial catalog item, but we kind of created it and put it in here for you. Hooks for your extension cords and also your caulking guns. We also have a long parts tray up here.
Even spraying, there's like a 6-foot spray pole.
Right, yeah.
You don't use it every day, but.
So as you look at the shelving too, you'll notice that the lips are deeper than I believe what you had on your old shelving. So some of the bigger tools, you can stow those there without having to worry about them falling out, and we can get them out of the aisle space. Door kits too, for added storage. You got one on the back there, one right here. It's a great option for keeping the things from falling out or moving around. You did not lose any drawer space. I think you had a total of 6. You now have 8 as an option. And then for some of your paint brushes, your sanding materials, we thought it'd be great to position those by another door. You see a series of blue bins there. Those are a great option to keep them stowed not only in the van, but also as you take them into the job site. And then we've got the ladder rack up top as well. That ladder rack there has a big time weight capacity.
This is what I like.
Yeah. You can stow a lot of things up there. Some painters might want to put scaffolding or any, sheet goods up there, but you've got versatility with this rack.
I have had 20-foot baseboards.
Right. Yeah, you can easily stow those up there now. Just strap them down.
This is wonderful. I was just talking to another painter about a lot of us get vans and they're just a locksmith van, or they were a van an electrician used. Mm-hmm. So it was kind of designed for them, but there was nothing designed for a painter who does more than just one thing.
It's all about building a package around you, not the vehicle.
And that's why we partner together, to bring solutions to entrepreneurs like yourself. There's only one thing left to do. Take everything and put it in its rightful spot.
Right.
A pleasure working with you. I learned a lot talking to you. So.
Thank you.
So appreciate it.
Oh, wait, so here's my hand. There you go. How does that work?
I'll let you guys finish. I have bad shoulders. Sorry.
Thanks for joining us again on Fit Your Whip. Adrian Steele and Commercial Van Interiors have completely finished with the brand new custom upfit for Steve's van. He's really excited about some of the new bells and whistles, all the new storage. And we're going to catch up with him again next month and see how the brand new makeover is helping with his efficiency and helping him on the job site. So join us next time.